In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get Udemy courses for free with certificate. Now, we are in the digital economy when learning an high-income skill has become extremely important in this very age. An average online marketer has earned between $1,000 to $5,000 every single month. And if you are considering learning an high-income skills and making a lot of money online, then you want to start learning these high-income skills right away. And to learn these skills, you want to go to an online university when you can learn and master these high-income skills. And Udemy is one of the top online university when you can learn various high income skills right now. But the major problem right now is that all these courses are costly and there's a price tag on all their programs and courses. But in this video right here, I'll be showing you how you can get Udemy courses for free and also get certified. I'll be showing you a secret website that gives you access to all these courses for free without you paying any single thing for it. So with this said, let's get started right now.
So you can see right here, say find the perfect online courses for you. Now, instant access to over 50,000 plus courses on the web. Now, if you can come here right now and you can easily search for any course you want to learn right here, and you can have access to it right now. This secret website will give you access to all the Udemy courses you can ever have access to. And if you come to the course collection right here, you can see that you will have access to over 50,000 plus free Udemy courses, right? This platform will give you access to Udemy courses for free. That means you don't have to pay any single dime to have access to this very course, right? Now, if you can see, if you come here right now, you can see that they have over 10,000 plus free online courses and 750 plus free league courses and even 150 plus free certification course, right? Now, if you come over to this subject right now, if you come over to subject right now, you can see that these are courses on different aspects of career, and this is self-development courses. And if you come over self-development courses, you can see that these are different courses under self-development. And if you come over to marketing, you can see copywriting, branding, affiliate marketing, Instagram marketing, TikTok marketing, and you can even come here to view all topics. And if you come over to social science, you can see that these are different courses on social science. And if you come over to foreign languages, these are different courses on foreign languages. Now you can learn languages from this very platform: French, Spanish, and all of that. Music, photography, right? Business, health, engineering, and so on and so forth. You can see these are popular courses on this very platform. Now, if you ever have interest in learning how to code and how to use Python, now this is the perfect place you can learn. Right now, these courses are free of charge, meaning you don't have to pay any single dime to have access to all these courses. Now, these are courses you get out there for thousands of dollars, but in this very place right now, you can have access to all these courses for just free of charge. And these are new courses on this platform: business English skills, become a better filmmaker, even on a budget, right? To get this course on any platform will worth more than $100 to $500, right? Complete WordPress developer course, physiology of persuasion, introduction to physiology. Even if you want to learn video editing, copywriting, web development, let's come over to this Udemy courses. You come over to this very place right now. Now, if you click on free Udemy courses right now, you can see that now these are free Udemy courses online. So now this is development, design, marketing, business, test spread, health, self-development, language, music, photography, social science, office productivity, science, engineering, humanities, maths, and different. If you come over to the rating right now, you can see that this course have over 4.4 star rating and over 75 reviews. That means people have taken these courses 4.4 star rating. That's a positive rating, guys. And the best part is that this is free. I'm just going to save this right now so that I can have access to these courses later on. So I'm going to be showing you how you can sign in, how you can create an account with this platform later in this video. Business to English skills, become a better filmmaker, physiology of persuasion, introduction to physiology, become a successful social media influencer, right? And this is teaching you how you can become an influencer even in social media, right? It's a course that teaches you and guide you how you can become an influencer. If you come there right now, you can see that discover all the secrets behind influencing marketing, become a social media influencer to promote your business, right? And this is the first page of this very program. As you can see, this is the second page, third pages, and these pages are over, and you can even select first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, to even over 310 pages, right? Now these are different, numerous thousands of courses you can have access to for free. Now all these courses are free of charge, of which you don't have to pay any single dime to have access to these courses. And once you are done with these courses, you'll be given a certificate, meaning you'll be certified on these very courses, right? As you can see, you'll be certified on these very courses, right? So what we are going to do right now, and the first thing to do when having access to these courses is to create an account with them. right? You have to create an account with them before you can even have access to start learning these courses, right? Because you have to create an account with this very platform. So what we're going to do right now is to create an account with them by clicking on this sign up button right here, right? But if you have an account already, you can just come to this login and you can have access to all your courses right here. As you can see, free courses, university, and best courses. So we are going to create an account by signing up with this platform, right? So we're going to click on this very button right now. As you can see right now, join the biggest community of learners, discover free online courses on subjects, track your progress, and learn new skills to stay ahead of everyone, meet and collaborate with other learners, and get new updates on free courses. So we're going to go ahead and to sign up with Google. Click on Google right here. We are going to go ahead and create an account with our Gmail address. All right, so we're going to click on continue, and boom, our account is already created, guys. So as you can see right now, this is my name. My account is created. They are asking us to pick our interest. Now our account is created right now because of our interest. So I'm going to click on design, marketing. So I'm going to click on photography, art and craft, self-development, and business. Click on continue. Now we're going to just try to update our. Alright, if I scroll down, these are numerous. I'm going to just select okay, image editing, graphic design, vision, affiliate marketing, copywriting, digital marketing, Google AdWords, then media training, product marketing, YouTube automation. All right, just click on continue. Our user profile is already completed successfully. Right now, the best thing about this platform is that you can select courses from any university you want. One of the best thing about this platform is that this platform is a very large university that give you free course, not just on Udemy but other university right across the world. And if you come over to this place right now, which is the university, and these are courses by university, right? This is University of this is Arizona State University, Australian National University, Brown University, California Institute of Technology, California Institute of Art, right? Now these courses you are going to be having access to need. Now these courses you are having access to in this university are free of charge. Now means you don't have to just go to school. Now you have the school right in front of you in your smartphone, and this is New York University, right? Now if you come to any of this university, and you can even come here and search by state and search by country, and you can search by Africa, by American, Argentina, Australia, Brazil. Scroll down, these are different countries across the world. Now let's imagine we want to have access to let's come to New York University, and let's say we want to have access to a course on this. So let's come to New York University, and let's imagine we want to access courses on this university. If you click on it right now, you're going to see that you want to enroll for these courses right here, which is on how to become a successful social media influencer. So I'm going to click on this very course right now. If you look over here right now, you can see that this very course is free, right? I can just come here and just go to course right now. I will start learning. Before I go over and start learning this course, I want to show you some proof of this very course. They have over 7.9k total enrollment. That means over 7,900 people have enrolled for this course, and they have over 4.1 star rating, right? This course is on Udemy, and this course is English and is very beginner friendly. In this course, you will learn make money using TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, how to set up your profile the correct way, how to plan your approach for maximum profit, discover how to make brands beg you for promotion, and how to create a devoted audience who will stick with you for the rest of your life. Other influencers don't know this little secret, right? And these are the syllabus on these very courses. Now these are the syllabus. Scroll down, you can see these are the syllabus on these very courses. How to become a social media influencer, choose your niche, Instagram fundamentals, Instagram the next step, YouTube setting up the system, TikTok development strategy, and TikTok analysis and goals. As you can see right now, we already have access to this very course. If you play right now, you can preview this very course right here. As you can see, this course is 1 hour 31 minutes on video on demand, and this is the rating, right? And this is the what you will learn, right? This is the course content, the reviews, the instructor, and everything you have to know about the course. Once we click on any of this module right now, we start learning right away. So guys, I believe you got value from this video.
Now that you have learned how you can get Udemy courses for free, now you want to go right now and start learning these courses and these high income skills and get your certificate, right? Now with this certificate, you can start applying for online jobs right now and online gigs right now in the internet and start making a lot of money for yourself. Now, all the resources I mentioned in this video, all of them will be linked down in the description of this video right here. Now, so you can go there right now. I know you got value from this video. Now, this is the best time to just smash that like button and share this video to your loved ones and friends out there, right? Thanks for watching again. And if you have not subscribed to this very channel, this is the best time to subscribe right now. Subscribe to this channel by turning all bell notifications so that you will not miss out on my next video. And also like this video, that is very important. If you want to learn how you can start making money right now in the internet, you want to click this video to access 2 websites that pays you every day by doing simple micro tasks. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.